bright and apparently really blue, really, really hot, and they don't last very long. And so maybe, and there's all the things that the others do go through that red giant phase happen while it's still blue. And then it's so massive that when it gets to that iron stage, remember we talked about, in the videos, they talked about go from hydrogen to helium to all the others. And then it gets to iron, and then it stops at iron. Okay, at that stage, okay, if it's going to become a supernova,
hey guys, wait up!
What?
Do you want me to do it?
Good. That's okay. Do it again. Ready? Nice, nice. One more time. Good job. Good. That's good line. You ready? Ready? Good. Nice. Ready? One more time. Good job, girl. One more time.